Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see about hex function in Python function series. Hex function in Python. What is hex function and why is it used? Hex function is used to convert a given decimal value to its corresponding hexadecimal value. Now, to convert a decimal value to its corresponding hexadecimal value, we are using hex function in Python. Now, let us discuss the parameters. Hex function holds single parameter. Let us discuss it with an example. Hex of num. Here, num is nothing but the decimal value which is to be converted to its hexadecimal value. Return type for this function. Hex function returns a string value with the prefix as 0x, which represents hexadecimal. Now, let us discuss this function with a small program. Num equal to int of input. Hexa string equal to hex of num. Print hexa string. Let us assign a variable called k equal to int of hexa string, 16. In order to convert this hexa string to its decimal value num, you have to use this following procedure, that is int of variable name, its base value. This procedure have to be used to convert hexa string to its decimal value. Print k. This hexadecimal value contains a prefix 0x. In order to eliminate that prefix, you have to use slice operator. Print hexa string from 2 to the last element. Let's run our code, giving 12 as our input. You can able to see in the first line hexadecimal value of 12 is printed. In the second line its decimal value is printed, and in the third line its prefix 0x is eliminated and C is printed. Hope you guys understood this code. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.